Okay, fidget spinner time. It's like you 5,000 here. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Whoa, do it. That's a Batman one. I'm gonna do it on the bottom here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a Batman fidget spinner. He's drawing a fidget spinner. He's tracing it. Okay, so we're all gonna draw a fidget spinner. Now he's drawing a fidget spinner.
Yeah.
Wait, he already drawn a fidget spinner. Now he's drawing a Batman one. Looking good so far. He's almost done. Looking good. I'm doing a Batman one. He's finished. Now I'm gonna do it. Here we go. I'm gonna do one. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Look at that. Okay, here we go.
Oh, and by the way, we're doing right now like a drawing contest. We all get to trace some kind of fidget spinner. Only one. I traced two.
Oh gosh. Look at that, guys, so far. Booyah!
And there's all different types of fidget spinners. There's different color ones. There's going in the decks. You can do different ones. You can do different colors.
Oh, looking good. I'm almost there. Yeah. Oh, this is the hard part. It's so hard.
I know, mine turned out like that.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Mine turned out not that good. I made one of those triangular ones.
Oh yeah. That's a little.
You know, there's also different shape ones. Yeah, that's why I said I did a triangular one.
Now I have to draw this thing here. And then, look at that. Awesome. Okay. Okay, here we go. You gotta look at this fidget spinner for a sec. See if I did everything right. Guys! Okay, let's do it. So I finished my fidget spin thing. I just need to color it. 3, 2, 1. Booyah! I did it that fast.
Nice. Watch.
So I hope you guys like this video. Also subscribe.
Wait.